DJI Air 3 Case by Cynova. Got that coming up next. Bill the Drone Reviewer here. If you like the content of this video or anything on my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any future content. With that, let's begin. The good folks at Cynova sent me a brand new DJI Air 3 case. So without any further ado, let's get to this review in its entirety. Okay, we're going to go ahead and take a look at the DJI Air 3 case by Cynova. And we'll take a look at the actual case first. See, here's the case right here. Has the pressure relief valve right here. You can see in the back there is one long metal bar for the hinge, which is very nice. It's injection molded plastic. Looks real good. Now let's go ahead and open this up here. Nice clasp system here to lock the case. And now they do include a set of instructions here, which is really nice. And it shows you the different options on here. And we're going to go over that here in a minute. But this is a handy piece of information to have. Okay. This is a case itself. Just a word of note. The bottom of the case has an adhesive on it. And what I had to do was take that adhesive off before I set this in there. And I did that. And everything's in there solid right now. So let's go ahead and we're going to go ahead and move things in here. And I want to show you several of the things. First, here's the drone itself. And here's the controller. Okay, as you can see here, we're getting the controller situated in the case, and it fits as it should. Next, we're going to go ahead and get the batteries. Now, you can put them in as is, as you see right there. I'm also going to put the charging brick in from DJI and the cable. Let's get that in as well. And close the lid. And you can see the lid closes without any issue, even though the drone and the controller are kind of sticking up out of the phone. And it clasps securely. And it's very easy to unclasp, as you can see I'm doing here. And you can see how the drone fits in. The drone fits in very nicely. We're going to go ahead, I'm going to take the batteries out. You can see we can get up to 6 batteries in here. And let's go ahead and get the batteries out of the charging cradle and put them in the individual slots. Okay, we're going to put the charging cradle back in. Let's put the batteries in their individual slots. See, it's a little on the loose side there. And they go in a specific way. Okay, we got that in. Now we're going to go ahead, if you have the other controller, there's this insert. This is for using the RCN2. You put the insert in and push it down all the way to the bottom. And you can install the RCN2. Okay, there are several things that I want to go over after I just showed you the case here. One of the positives I see is that you can actually take 6 batteries. If you put 3 batteries in the charging cradle over here and you have 3 other batteries here. Also, I have the charging brick 100-watt charging brick in here, and also the cables with that too. And of course, here's the controller right here. Now, there's some items that kind of concern me, and I think one of them is I have a tendency to look for cases where the drone actually sits beneath the foam, and this drone does not sit beneath the foam, although it does close without any issues right here. And again, the same thing with the controller here. The other thing that's a concern for me too is these batteries are extremely loose. You can take a look at that here. But overall, it's a well-built case. It has good quality, and there is eggshell foam up here, and this will close without any issues. And this is the Cynova case for the DJI Air 3. Question of the day. What did you think of the DJI Air 3 case by Cynova? Let me know in the comments section below. Thanks so much for watching, and remember, it's a great day to fly.